In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Microsoft Dynamics 365 and work with core records. To get started, open your web browser and go to home.dynamics.com. Once the page loads, sign in using your organizational credentials. Make sure you're using the correct work account so you can access the apps and data available to your organization. If the page takes a moment to load, that's completely normal, especially if multiple business apps are connected to your account. After you've signed in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. From here, choose the app module you want to work in, such as Sales Hub or Customer Service. The app you select will determine the tools, records, and workspace you see, so it's a good idea to choose the one that matches the task you're planning to complete. For example, if you're managing prospects and customer relationships, Sales Hub is often the best place to start. If you're handling support-related activity, customer service may be more appropriate. Once you're inside the app, look to the left side of the screen for the navigation pane. This area helps you move between the main types of records used in Dynamics 365. From here, you can open core entities such as accounts, contacts, and leads. Accounts are typically used for companies or organizations. Contacts are individual people, and leads are potential opportunities that may later be qualified. Understanding where these sections are located will make your day-to-day work much faster and more efficient. When you open one of these areas, you'll usually see a list or grid of existing records. At the top command bar, click New to create a new record. This is where you can begin entering information for a new account, contact, or lead depending on the section you're in. Be sure to enter accurate details and review your information before saving, since clean data is important for reporting, follow-up, and team collaboration. If you need to update something that already exists, you can edit existing entries directly within the grid forms. This allows you to make quick changes without opening each record separately, which can save time when you're updating multiple items. Just take care to confirm you're editing the correct row before making changes. That's the basic workflow for getting started in Dynamics 365. Sign in, choose the right app module, use the left navigation to find key entities, and create or update records from the command bar and grid. Once you're comfortable with this flow, working in Dynamics becomes much more intuitive.